Hello everybody, today we open English locks and open them with a very good quality electric pick. This is a German electric pick. There is a big difference with Chinese one. Again, it depends on what? In operation, in stability, in engine. It doesn't stall, so to speak, doesn't sleep, works well. The kit includes, here is one installed and an additional one. This is a long one. The long one can be used, well, there are long ones like this, I think in Spain, I don't remember the name, a long key. Compared to a regular one, it is long, for 7 pins. Well, as I understand it, you can use it for this. About noise, volume. As far as, well, in fact, it is no different from Chinese in volume. Maybe while you just hold it in your hands, it will make some difference. But if you start working, there is no particular difference in noise volume between it and Chinese one. About tension, there are 2 tensioners here, but that's not enough. And they sometimes dangle, which is not very convenient. That's why there aren't enough tensioners here. In general, it is advisable to have some additional ones, well, or a whole set, so that you can select and insert the optimal tensioner, well, so that it doesn't dangle in short. That's why it's better to have additional tensioners. And I think WD lubricant again not necessary, but it seems to me that it goes better with WD lubricant. I'm going to open all of them. I don't know the brand. Here letter R, I don't remember what it's called. Regarding the opening time, well, if you do everything right, not every lock will open, of course, but most of them. You can open them within 10 seconds. Well, that's the real time that can be opened. I'll use a little lubricant. Well, some 10 seconds, some most of them, some may be longer. Further, what's important here? It is important to make a light tension. Light. Light is, for example, here are 3 keys. Now I will simply hang 3 keys like this. This is the entire load. That's enough. That is, you do not need to tighten it too much. Very light tension. Another important moment is amplitude. Adjusting the amplitude. The amplitude is larger or smaller. Here is a short one. I'll let it go now. And it has become twice as large. Well, with a large amplitude, it is not very good. Not very good. It is better to make the amplitude small. Tighten the bolt. Then at least the amplitude is smaller, but the impact is stronger. That is, it is better to make a short amplitude. Okay, it's opened. So, WD lubricant is not necessary, but if possible, then it is better to use it. You can see the tensioner is not in place. It flies out. It's opened. Apex. By the way, Apex. I tried about 5 of these Apex here. With Apex cylinders it works very fine. Well, like many others. It's opened. This is Italian Cisa, a regular Cisa. If it doesn't open, let's say straight, then we try to tilt it. So in different ways. Well, it's not always 10 seconds. Also, if it doesn't work, you can try to change the amplitude. That is, add a little or decrease little. Try. And a very light tension, I remind you. Well, okay, let's not torment it further. It opens. It can be opened, but it takes more time, so I won't torment it anymore. Let's take the next. Asbe, Spain. Where are the keys? Here is the key, like this. Let's try to pick it up now. Well, this is some ordinary Chinese one. Done. Opened. This is Linz. Linz is, in my opinion, if I remember correct, Spain as well. The tension should be set up as high as possible, so it doesn't interfere with the work. 2 seconds and it's done. Apex, a regular apex.
Еще один апекс.
Another apex.
Попробуем с ВДшкой.
Let's try with WD lubricant.
Открыт.
Open.
Еще один апекс.
Another apex.
Открыт.
Open.
Чиза.
This is cheetah.
Кале.
This is Turkish cylinder kalya. Well, my battery is running low already. So, in general, most open up, you could say, in the first 10 seconds.
Большинство вскрываются, можно сказать, в первые 10 секунд. Бывают такие, которые...
There are some that don't open right away. It can be. The kit includes 2 tensioners and 5 of these impact attachments.
Ударных ударных насадки. Значит, цена будет...
So the price of this kit you can find on our website. The link is under this video. Bye.
Пока.